Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to another amazing recipe. If you want to know how I prepare this meal, healthy and delicious, please do watch this video from the starting to the end so that you don't miss anything from this video. Thank you. So guys, welcome back my beautiful lovers of good things. Compliment of the season, yes. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for tuning into today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my pasta di Orecchiette. Pasta di Orecchiette is Italian pasta and is Italian recipe. As you guys know, I am a full lover of pasta. Me and my family, we love pasta so much, and I do prepare my pasta so rich and healthy. So those are the tips I am sharing with you. As you can see, I am introducing all the dry ingredients. I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients in one bowl today. I'm not going to be using it one after the other. I'm going to just mix everything in one bowl, which I am doing. Please just watch this video carefully, and so that you will not miss anything from this video. And after I finish introducing the dry ingredients, we'll go ahead with the fresh ingredients. And we have so many ingredients we are going to use in this pasta. So stay tuned and don't miss anything out from this video. So guys, can you see all the ingredients we are going to be using for this recipe? Just watch this video from starting to the end. I know you are going to like it because I was so happy and excited when I was filming this video, and I hope you enjoy it as I do filming it. So, and guys, remember to always try out my recipe. Try it, I will so much appreciate it. And after watching my video, if there is any question or anything you think about this video, remember to always leave it at the comment section. I will so much appreciate it as well. And if you have any recipe you want me to bring out, always leave it. I will always bring it out. Yes, even if I will not bring it out that moment, I will surely bring it out. I will never disappoint. So, and for my returning subscribers and my old subscribers, I appreciate you all for all the support. I thank you for joining us, and I thank you for always tuning in. May God bless you. And if you have been watching me, you have not yet subscribed, consider to subscribe. And if you don't want to subscribe, I still appreciate you, because I know very soon you will subscribe and join us in this family. So stay tuned to this video and enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you. my goodness, can you see how this pasta is looking? This is not just looking so delicious, it also tastes so delicious, yummy. After eating this pasta, I feel so good. Oh my goodness, this was so really delicious. So we are almost at the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, please remember to smash the like button. Share it to your friends and family if you can. Yes, it will be a lot of help to my channel. And remember to thumbs up. Remember to thumbs up my video. So thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your comment at the comment section for me. I want to hear your thoughts, what you think about this delicious pasta. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.